if this was a whole band up there with two DJs mic'd up and everything, and the same sound was coming out, the crowd would still be jamming the same way. Come on. Come on, Beatpella. Come on, Wayne. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, back at you one more time with another one. I'm your humble host, Out of Order Man. Today, we back in our Beatpella House bag. I found this one on their on their YouTube channel. Homeground, Beatpella House, a Eternal Ember live. Do you see that crowd? That's a crowd. I want to perform in front of a crowd like that. I'll perform in front of a crowd, maybe like like that section right there that's facing them. I did that maybe one time. We opened up for Jedi Mind Tricks in LA and for Rakim one time. And both the times the crowds was like that. It was even that amount of people, you feel the breath coming. You feel like the wind coming at you. It's crazy. Oh, random. Anyway, we are back. We had some sound difficulties. I was stressing out. I was about to break something. Couldn't get my sound right. I did 2 trips to Walmart for cords that did not work. And I was about to go there. But we fixed. We fixed. All right. I'm Out of Order Man. If you like the content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. You want to see me react to something, drop a comment down below. You want to support the channel, CashApp's right there. Beatpella House, Eternal Ember Live. Oh boy, I'm excited. What y'all got? If this was a whole band up there with 2 DJs mic'd up and everything, and the same sound was coming out, the crowd would still be jamming the same way. Come on. Come on, Beatpella. Come on, Wayne. Yeah. this. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Man. Do you see that crowd? They're all sitting down very politely. Man, I'd have been up, going crazy. All right. Beatpella House. You guys are dope. I'm out older man. If you're still here, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification. Uh, something else you want me to react to, leave a comment. You want to support the channel, Cash App's right there. We love y'all, and we out. Peace.